It surprises many that while Google Workspace does include some data retention features, these are limited in scope and duration. If your company has compliance obligations, a policy that drives a retention requirement, or just don't want all your eggs in one basket, then a third-party backup is for you. The key drivers for companies choosing to back up their Google Cloud data are protection against data loss. Google offers basic retention features, but it is not a comprehensive backup solution. Retention policies ensures that data is retained in accordance with legal and industry regulations. Granular recovery options. Users can recover individual emails, files, folders, or entire structures from Google Drive, providing flexibility in data management. Disaster recovery. Having a backup ensures that in the event of a system failure or cyber attack, your data can be swiftly restored, supporting your disaster recovery plan. DSM's Google Workspace Backup is powered by Acronis, a best-of-breed and global leader in backup solutions. Protecting your emails, calendars, contacts, and Google Drive, it is a comprehensive, secure, and reliable solution. Costing just £3 per user per month, it's a bit of a no-brainer. Contact us today for more information.